Minecraft. Everybody loves it, but would you want to eat it? That's the question we're going to be answering today. Creeper Crunch cereal. Is it good? Probably not. Let's see. Cinnamon flavored cereal with marshmallow. Cinnamon. I don't like cinnamon. I don't like this. I don't want to do this. But we're gonna do it. Bowl. It's too many bowls. I'm gonna try it. This is probably a little stale. Because it's been sitting in my room for the past week, opened. So it's, oh. It smells like a gingerbread house. This isn't gonna go well. First, the dry test. Then we'll do the wet test. Not good. I don't think I got any marshmallows in that. Yeah, this is just knockoff Lucky Charms. Now we'll be trying it with milk. Slide the milk over. Everyone knows that you put your milk first. I don't have a spoon. No, don't go get me a spoon. Don't, go back. Get me a spoon. Spoon. That's just Lucky Charms. That's just Lucky Charms. It's not even, I mean, it was cinnamon. You know, they really kind of didn't do a very good job on this. Very plain. I wouldn't eat it. Don't laugh. There's nothing funny about that. Okay. Now for the real test of strength and will and the power of my stomach. Not milk. Now these things, they're a little like milk. They probably shouldn't go with cereal, but they're dairy, so I think it counts. Pass me the first item. Yogurt, strawberry yogurt. Strawberry yogurt. We didn't have vanilla yogurt, which would probably be better. This is gonna, I'm so sorry. This is gonna be a horrible, horrible video to watch. I hope you're not eating dinner right now. Just wait till you see what we actually have that is definitely not milk, because that's not gonna be fun to watch either. Just going for it. I'm just eating marshmallows. That's just crunchy yogurt. Overall, honestly, it's not like gut-wrenching, but it's not good. I'd say a solid 6 out of 10. 7. It's not bad.
What is the milk, the normal rated?
Probably like a 6. Yeah, that's a 6. Normal milk is 6. With yogurt, 7. It's not bad. So it's the Christmas season. It's still November. But as you can see, we had a lot of Christmas decorations up already. Christmas trees over there. You know, I want to get festive. So,
I'm sending it.
Southern Comfort Eggnog. I love eggnog. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. Probably wouldn't want to eat it with cereal. But, you know, eggs, cereal, they're both a breakfast foods. They're gotta be good together. So, That's not good. So I thought with the as my sister says, spicy eggnog. She thinks it's spicy. How white can she be? And the cinnamon, I thought it would go good, because doesn't eggnog have cinnamon in it? I don't know, it has some weird drugs probably in it that make it spicy. So I thought that would couple well with the cinnamon. It does not. 3. It's not, I wouldn't puke. Actually, I probably would if I ate more. But it's decent. I wouldn't eat it, is what I would say. So a 3 out of 10. Now we're getting into the definitely not milk category. These are liquids, mind you. They are liquids. However, they are not dairy and will be very gross. Oh, that's just violent. You violented me. Send me the good old OJ. You know, this is also a thing you have for breakfast. Why not just make it efficient? Skip the milk, just have orange juice and cereal. It's so much more efficient than having to eat and drink 2 separate things. Again, the liquid goes first. Oh, there's a bit of yolk on that. Oh, I'm not getting any marshmallows in there. I have to psych myself up for this one because I'm not excited.
It's still dripping off the bowl because you spilled it.
It is. Oh man, it's turning brown. The orange juice is turning brown. Cheers. The orange juice is just powerful. It's just powerful enough to drown out the taste of most of the cereal. But then you have the it makes the back of my throat cold. So like I can't breathe. It's very strange. I don't like it. 1. Definitely a 1. For the final one, oh, it's gonna be blue. You know, the green and the blue, they look very nice together. That's not good. It doesn't take my breath away like the orange juice, but it definitely tastes a little bit more like vomit. Stop laughing.
I kind of want to try this one.
All right, go get another spoon. We're having an unexpected special guest today. All right, have some. It's a little soggy. Oh, it's sogging up.
Do I actually want to do this though?
Try it.
Okay, hang on. I gotta take a second to.
You can stand up. You don't have to kneel.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. It's fruity because the drink is fruity, and then the marshmallows kind of add to that kind of sugary.
Why are you eating it willingly again?
And then the cinnamon goes. That's actually good.
Stop eating. You know, like my sister at her like 9th birthday party, her and her friends went we had a chocolate fountain thing that we borrowed from someone, and they stuck their Cheetos in it. It was disgusting, and I don't know why they did it, but they thought it was really funny and thought, stop! Don't want it! That concludes the taste testing. I'm gonna Frankenstein it. You know what? I don't have another bowl. Wait, I don't need another bowl. I just You know, let's try my 2 favorite things. Now, I love Gatorade. I love me some good old eggnog.
Get my spoon out of there. That's my spoon.
No, it is your spoon. This is our last one, because this will probably make me puke.
This will probably kill you.
This will probably kill me.
I can't wait to see these liquids mix. Oh. they're staying separate. They aren't mixed.
It's fizzing. Why is it fizzing?
Is this a chemical reaction that is going to explode?
It's fizzing. Oh, it's so soggy.
Oh, this is gonna be so much fun.
Cheers. I'll see you when I'm dead.